When immediate implants are placed, they're placed in an area of healing bone, and that bone is maintained by a bone graft and by the implant. That maintains bone volume to improve the stability of the site and improve long-term outcomes. If we have good bone around the implant, then the implant will be present for the remainder of your life. We utilize dynamic navigation to ensure the most precise placement of dental implants. This is even more effective and precise than traditional surgical guides that have been used previously for the past 5 to 10 years. Almost all patients are candidates for immediate implants. The only exception is in sites of very large infection. But the great majority of the patients that we see are candidates, and the outcomes are extremely, extremely good. If you have any questions about how immediate implants can transform your smile faster than ever, contact us at Green Lake Oral and Facial Surgery.